Hello fam, where are you? Come closer. Just come right now. Come and see what we are saying concerning the Elliott Wave theory. Let us attempt to count together. Let's start this video by counting the charts and in the number of waves you can see on your screen right now. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's see, after 5 something may have happened. After 5 we can see this red region here. It is posting the ABC pattern for another leg of, which is like wave 1 again. So it is like another cycle has just completed on the monthly, and then we are seeing a fresh leg up. Good day everyone. I started this way so we can know exactly what we are doing mostly on this channel is learning how to apply Elliott Wave theory in trading the markets. Forex Mom here, saying hello to everyone wherever you are in the world. Come on to us and then be a part of our big family as we attempt to crack the price action and try to stay on the safer side of the market each time we attempt to trade using our real money. Now look at it. We have seen a whole cycle on the monthly, and I decided to come on to gold again because gold is always a darling to most traders. It is one of the most traded forex pairs in the market, be it in its own self as gold or XAU USD pair. So that is why I said it's better we pay very much attention in trying to understand what gold is actually doing in the market. If I leave this chart the way it is, you can see there is the 5-wave pattern clearly seen in this chart. Then if you try to zoom in, then you begin to see that even after the 5 waves have formed, another wave is trying to commence. And that with this kind of knowledge, tell me what your limits will be in the market. You will be able to stay comfortably in the market while you are catching huge pips, and others will be, while others are trying to pack their loads out of the market, you are just settling in. So this is why you need this kind of knowledge so that you can comfortably or profitably trade the market. And I pray that this is going to be our portion by Allah's grace. Now, if you look at it, I decided to look at 1 month chart on MetaTrader 4, but this same structure you are seeing has repeated itself even on the 3-month chart and even the 6-month chart of gold. So let us go and look at it on TradingView and see what it is showing us there. Look at it. This is yes, okay. Now this is my TradingView, and this is the free version of TradingView. You are free to download it from Play Store and use it anytime you like. It helps you to analyze your charts more elaborately, and then you can use a lot of tools to make it more colorful and creative. But like I told you, during the course of my trading career, I have learned to be a naked trader, and I can take off all of these indicators and then try to look at chart in its own self. I mean the price action in its own self. Now, as I was saying, I looked at the 1 month chart on the MetaTrader 4 because that is the highest time frame that you can get on MetaTrader 4, and then decided to also bring that idea to TradingView and look at it from also the highest time frame obtainable on TradingView, and that is the 6 months chart. On the free version, actually, that is the highest you can get, and you can see from what you are seeing on your screen right now, you can see zooming out, you will see the same structure we saw on the 1 month chart, and then we can count together again on this time frame. I mean on this chart display. Let us try to count together and see if we can get our 5 number waves. Let me see, can I get the crosshair? The crosshair is what would have helped us to actually count properly. But now, okay, I can get, I got it here. Look at it. This is 1 from the far left corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now after 5, what are we seeing? Remember, this is 5. 5 is showing us this here, okay? That's what we are seeing as 5. Now, there is a consolidation after this 5, and that's the ABC pattern. If we drop to the 3-month chart, you are going to see this that I have drawn in biro blue color. You will see it more clearly. You will see the ABC chart pattern, and then you are going to also see the first leg up, and also the number of waves that have been painted on the 6 months chart. So on this 6 months chart, you can see that part of the pattern is actually the way we saw it on the 1 month chart. But what is different is that you can see here this place marked the 5th leg, and then the consolidation of ABC happened here, and then we have posted another leg up. In fact, we are far into wave 1 on the 6 month chart. So let's drop to 3 months and see what it gives us. We can view it from the 6 months and the 3 months again and see what we have. Look at it. On 3 months chart, the 5 waves are still very visible. 1, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then ABC. Let me see if we can see the ABC that I have marked. This ABC, the one coming at the end of the 5th wave. Like I explained in one of the videos, I don't know if I've posted it already. If I haven't uploaded it, I will find time to do so. Like I promised, this channel will be having videos bi-weekly. That is 2 videos in 1 week, so that I will have time to dedicate to other things on my table, and also our other channel, which is the one that talks about the SIWA strategy, humble traders. I will drop the link down below. You can also go there and you will be able to find value there, because it depends on which strategy resonates with you. But I assure you, whichever kind of trader you are, if you can incorporate the Elliott Wave principle into your trading arsenal, in fact, you will perform wonders in the market. I'm seeing it. I'm speaking from experience, please. Now, look at it. After the 5th wave completed, look at the ABC. I have even drawn it with the blue lines, so that you blue trend lines, so that you'll be able to see it more clearly. Look at it here. This is A, B, C. Okay, and then after C, what do you see? After C, then there will be the first leg up, which is wave 1. Wave 1, wave 2, using the green trend lines now. Wave 1, 2, look at it, it's even 3. Okay, you can see, look at 3, then 4. Look at it, it's also the 5th leg here we're seeing. Okay, we're seeing a 5th leg in action here. Meanwhile, which leg did we see in MetaTrader 4? Was it the first wave we saw after the monthly ABC pattern? After completing the ABC pattern, look at it, we are seeing a wave 1. We are seeing a wave 1 on the monthly. Meanwhile, which wave is that here? It is a wave 5 in your 6-month chart. Have you seen where we say Elliott Waves is showing us that our charts are made up of billions and billions of wave patterns, and each one has a degree higher or lower to it. Now you can see on the 6 months, on the 3 months chart here, we are seeing what? That we are in the 5th wave. Is like the 3rd wave. It's also a trending wave, and then we can also comfortably be in that kind of situation. We can be in that kind of trade. I mean, excuse me, sometimes some things cross my mind and I just get lost in where I am talking at. So I would continue to try and juggle back my attention back to the what I'm doing. So if you look at it on the 1 month chart that we saw, it was a fresh wave 1. Meanwhile, here it is the last wave, which is the wave 5 that is currently active. So if you look at it, both wave 1 and wave 5, they are both trendy waves. Since they are trending or trendy, if you wish, then you can comfortably trade them. What you want to avoid is the wave 2 or wave 4. Unless you already perfect the act of trading the Elliott Waves, you don't want to be caught up in any of these waves when you are either buying or selling in the market. And then you can see without being told that this one is for a buy setup. Having seen that, we would like to also drop to 1 month chart here using the trading view and see what we get from it. Now this is 1 month chart. You will see that the ABC after the wave 5 completed is even clearer here. Look at it. Okay, after counting our 1 to 5 like we did, look at it. It's still obvious. Look at it, it's still obvious here. What you need to do, you need to really zoom out. I'm trying to find how I can present these videos using my laptop or my tablet, but I'm still working my way around it. But I'm more comfortable using my mobile phone to show you these things because I spend the most time with my mobile phone. But gradually we shall get there. Just make sure you understand the concept or the whatever it is that we are trying to show you. Look at it. You have your wave 1 here. Okay, your wave 1 is here, then your wave 2 is here. 3, 4, 5 has completed. Then we have the what? The ABC pattern, which is here. We can see our A down, B up, C even more down. Then we have posted the first leg up, which is wave 1, then corrected in wave 2. And look at our wave 3, very trendy. We have a trendy wave 3. And then look at our wave 4. Wave 4 has also completed here, and then we are also in wave 5. Now, what does this look like? It looks like what we saw even on the 6 months chart. Is that or on the 3 months chart, which really differs from what we saw on the one month chart. Okay, look at it. This is 5, isn't it? 1, 2, 3. Sorry, this is what? After 5, what are we seeing? We are seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's also the 5th wave here. Okay, it is cleaner here. It is actually cleaner here on the trading view than on MetaTrader 4. Let me go back there and try to see the same thing. All right. Okay, so you can see we started counting our wave 1 here. Okay, this was our wave 1. Wave 1 started from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. So let's just leave it that way, that we are both in what? Wave 5 instead of wave 1, like I previously said that we are in wave 1 in the monthly chart. Meanwhile, we are seeing a wave 5 in play in both what? The monthly, month 1 up to month 5 charts that we saw, that we are all month 6, sorry, from the 1 month to 6 month chart that we saw, we are all in the wave what? Wave 5. But now let's take it that way even on month 1, because it depends on how you saw it. My ABC actually ended within this consolidation, and I'm taking this first move up to be my wave 1, and then my second wave here, and then third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave. But if I take the whole of this consolidation to be my wave 5, which is the ABC, the ABC after wave 5, then I have to start counting from here. I will have to start counting from here, that it is 1, 2, 3. Okay, it has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So if I want to look at it that way, it means that we are freshly in a wave 1 on this monthly chart, just like it is very obvious here on the MetaTrader 4 chart, like we counted here. Look at it. Let's do it again to avoid confusion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's what we did. We considered the whole of this consolidation to be 4, and then we took this very long move here to be 5. So we didn't count we didn't really count this to be what? A, C, like in the other charts. Okay, what made them to be different? Can you say what made them to be different? If you have an idea why they look different, you can drop in the comment section. But meanwhile, let me try to count for you again. This is 1, 2, we have 3, 4, 5, then consolidation here. The ABC is happening here. The ABC has happened here, and then we have the first leg up. Now let's do that the same thing on trading view. And this is the same 1 month chart we are looking at. So we can just zoom out so that we can see the whole structure and start counting from there. We say this is 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, consolidation, then 1. You can see if you notice this counting, in fact, the way the charts come out, they are actually different. Because if you look at it from what you are seeing right now, in fact, we can safely say that it's even a wave that is in action here on the monthly chart. But be it as it may, whether you are looking at it from the and that is why you need to have analysis tools. You need to have websites that allow you a lot of data feed so that you'll be able to analyze your charts properly to avoid risking your money anyhow. Because from the trading view chart, look at what it's giving us. It's actually giving us more detail. Okay, we are seeing more detail because look at it. We started counting from here. Look at it. 1, 2. The longest one here is 3. Then 4 retrace back. Then look at 5. Look at 5. 5 is here. 5. Then this ABC pattern happened here. Then after ABC pattern, 1 has posted up. Then we have a retracement back into 2. Then this is the third wave active on on trading view. Now let's go again. Take this idea back to MetaTrader 4. This is it, and we are at the same 1 month chart, and we are seeing the whole of the structure. Or something is missing, and see something could be missing. Actually, something could be missing. You see, we are not seeing the whole structure. That is why we are counting from what we are seeing here. And that's why we got only what? 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5. After 5, also got a consolidation, which is ABC, and then 1. Oh, so you can see we are almost saying the same thing, no matter where we look at it from. Even though some part of that chart was cut off, we can't see it actually here, but we are still on track. It is still a wave 1 in action on gold, on the what? On the MetaTrader 4 chart. But what about in trading view now? Don't be tired. That is the only way you get these things correctly, okay? That is the only way you catch these things correctly. I think this is not the active one. This could be it. Okay, look at it. Let's look at it from this is the same 1 month chart on MetaTrader. On trading view, sorry. So, but because we couldn't see this part on the MetaTrader 4, but we are seeing it here. So we are going to count plus this part here. 1, 2, 3. Look at it. On that other chart, we were counting only from here as 1. I think we counted 1, 2, 3 like that. But because here we can see more, here. You can see, so it's safer for you to get a better tool that you use in doing your analysis. Look at it. 1, 2, okay. And even this one gives us a better 3 kind of waves, because look at it, how trendy it is here. But it was kind of choppy in the other MetaTrader 4 chart. Now this is our 4 here, bottomed, continued, and posted 5 again. Look at it. It gave us a shorter 5. Okay, if a shorter 5 here, then we have consolidation. We expect wave 1 to be more intense, and we can see it like that. It is actually proving so. Look at it. Our 1, the first wave here, has even completed. 2 has finished. Then we are on wave 3 here. It's showing us wave 1 in MetaTrader, but it's here it is showing us a wave 3 in action. So either way, wave 1 or wave 3, they are waves that we want to trade within. So let us be in our trades while we have made an informed decision from this analysis that we've been doing, from a higher time frame perspective to a lower time frame perspective. You may be asking yourself why my chart looks suddenly too clean today. I decided to take off all those indicators so that we do not cloud our judgment when we are trying to count these waves. And then some strategies don't even require anything. You just need to come, like now you can see volume indicator still displaying at the bottom of the screen around here. So you can see, if you can even trade using only your volume and then your price action. If you have something like the Elliott Wave working for you, all you may need is these kinds of lines, these horizontal lines that are red on the screen, so that they guide you if you want to study things on a lower or higher degree. Now, I'm thinking of experimenting with Bollinger Bands for the benefit of new traders who may not know from where to buy at and then or where to sell from. So I will be experimenting in future using Bollinger Bands to support this, but no more indicators here, because we are not trading based on indicators here. We are only trading based on the waves, Elliott Waves, and then the Gann concept. Our Gann has already shown us that at this end of the month, we still posted a bullish move, and we may continue in this bullish perspective for the next 45 days. Even though we may have intermittent bearish moves, but the prevailing trend still remains bullish. So, and with this in mind, we have also taken it and applied the Elliott Wave principle in analyzing other things like gold, Bitcoin, and we have seen that most of them are actually on the bullish move. And we already know that, if you don't forget, that's the second video after the introductory video that we posted on the channel, we also told you that we analyzed gold from a very very detailed website that offers data feed of like 100 years of gold trading. And we also saw there that gold is currently in wave 3. So you see, wave 3 being the most intense wave, wherever we are, you may be confused that I will say wave 3 here. Here I will say is in wave 1. Like I said, price is fractal, and then whatever the number of waves you are seeing, there are still millions and millions of other waves that are either on the higher side or on the lower side of what the same chart that you are looking at. For example, if you look at this chart that you're seeing on the screen, it is made up of so many other waves or sub-waves that make up this. So that it depends on the time frame that you want to trade on. And if you know what you are doing, you can take off a data from 1,000 years ago. If there was anything like that, maybe any form of trading in those days, and you have a data feed that spells that to you, then you can take it and bring it to where you are today, present day, and even drop down to 1 minute. With that perspective in your mind, you have built a narrative. That is what most of us traders fail to do. Don't focus on the money yet, okay? Just make sure you are what? Trying to get a grasp of what the strategy is about, and try to understand price action. That money will be following you anywhere you go, whether you are sleeping or you are awake. Now let me try to show you a bit of the numbers that we got from this kind of trades that we took using the Elliott Wave. I just took some snapshots. Yes, as I was saying, you may hear that I will say wave 1 here, wave 2 there. It all depends on the chart you are looking at. You may be looking at a 100 years chart and you will see there is a wave 1 there. The basic thing is for you to be able to count the number of waves you are seeing on any particular time frame. After, you must have built a narrative from the higher time frame, in fact the highest possible time frame that you may possibly lay your hands on. This is where you are supposed to do your analysis from. If you are using the Elliott wave, this is very key, please, so that you will understand what you are doing and which space you are operating in. Which space you are operating in is very key, because if you look at it, you are only going to go and see on this chart that you are on wave 2, and if you go to another chart, you may be seeing, looking at it from and be thinking you are in wave 3 or something. So knowing how to count your charts, your waves, is key. You need to understand this. You need to understand how to count the waves. This is very, very important, because until you know how to do this by studying the golden rules and know how they apply, then you will continue to make mistakes. So know how to count your waves no matter where you find yourself in the market. If this wave doesn't qualify, you should know it does not qualify, and then look for other points to start counting from. Now, as I said before, once you know these things, money will follow. Don't be disturbed or bothered about making the money. Just know the basics, what they entail, and by the time you do this, then you find that you can take any time frame at all and trade it comfortably without having any issues at all. And you can see you are now like a naked trader who is always only using the Elliott waves and then Gann concept, and then maybe the use of some one or two horizontal and trend lines for you to really know what you are doing. And then maybe in future we can be using Bollinger Bands, like I said, for some traders that may find that useful to guide them on whether there is a support or a resistance at any particular point. So let me show you what this strategy can offer you. Like I said, I was not bothered about showing the numbers as I'm bothered about teaching the concept, but I was able to capture some screenshots, and I want to show you actually what the strategy can offer by the time you master it, so that it may boost your confidence in the process and you can learn more of that. Look at it. You can see on this screen, like I did a screen grab to just show you, like this USDJPY you are seeing has been caught up in wave 4, and that's why if you've been buying it, you'll be losing money. But then suddenly I saw like the wave 4 is coming to an end, and that's why we took the position to see this same blue could turn into red if that wave 4, which is one of the nastiest waves in Elliott wave theory, if it is not over, then even these blue pips you are seeing may turn red. Then look at gold. Gold has been trending and we've been making profits off of it, and so I decided to take a screen grab to show you what you stand to gain by learning this strategy. Even Bitcoin has been caught up in wave 2, trying to enter wave 3 on a particular uh time frame that I saw it, which could be traded. But from a wider time frame on the macrotrends.net website, I saw that it is actually a 1 year chart of it is showing that it is currently in wave 3, which is the trendiest wave possible. And so we are buying Bitcoin, even though we are waiting for it to recover. Then Palladium also was caught up in wave 2. The chart of Palladium was not clean, so I used that of Platinum to analyze it, because they are really highly correlated with one another, being precious metals that are both in high demand. And so I used that of Platinum to gauge where we are in Palladium, and I saw that we are caught up in wave 2, and I think it was a chart of 30 years, and then dropping down I saw that wave 2 was still in action, so I just opened this position to watch how it will recover. You can see this result started coming in. Let us see the live charts and see our open trades, what we are getting already today. So you can see most of our trades are already in profit using this same Elliott Wave theory. So you can see Elliott Wave theory is one to reckon with. It is not one that we can use or joke about. It is something every trader needs to learn, no matter the strategy you are using, so that it will serve you as a kind of hidden or secret weapon by the time you open your trades, even as a scalper or whatever it is that you are. Is it a short-term trader, a swing trader, or a position trader? We all need the Elliott Wave to guide us. So I will be stopping this video here so that it should not be too lengthy, and then we shall keep on following the trends and reporting to you whatever it is that we are doing. We shall report to you so that we will be carrying you along in live chats, and then we also have real account that we are building using purely this strategy, and we shall continue to report to you as the events develop. I will stop here until we see in the next one. Happy trading.